Hello YouTube, and I am back, and today we have an Ikoria pre-release pack. Wait, whoopsie. An Ikoria pre-release pack, yeah, so basically 6 packs we are cracking today, and yep. But as you know, because I pre-ordered it, you probably know this already, I got 4 extra packs. These packs I've already cracked, pulled an Ozolith, and this one's still sealed. I'm saving this probably for a future video, or when I want to, but this ain't, we're only getting 6, okay? You're only getting 6. Just don't unsubscribe, please. I need to get to 1,000 for the revenue. Please. I'm big. But yeah, so we are cracking this. So let's get into it. Okay, so with this pre-release pack, we just slide it out of the cover. This is a pretty nice cover, but you slide it out, open up the top. The lid works, which I really like this, is by this flap here, and then if you look right in there, you can just see how there's a but yeah, you probably saw I just need to silver this around so then you can see it. But yeah, you can see how there's like a little groove down there. So this works by when this groove catches on here. So it bends down and then it just clicks and it holds. And you can just open it up and yeah. Okay, so contents. We have life dice, which is always nice. I always want to collect those. We have I actually already opened this a while ago, so then you don't have to see. We have a building a pre-release deck. Yeah, I'm not actually building a deck, but that's a pretty neat guide. Then I did, if I can find it, I got a pre-release, I got the promo code, but I've already redeemed it, so there's no point even showing. Yeah, I found it, but I'm not going to show you, so then you can't steal it, even though I've already cracked all the packs. And we have a promo card. It's a Bonder's Enclave, which is actually pretty neat. I'm going to leave it sealed up, though, just for, just to keep it like that. But then, the good stuff. 6 packs of Ikoria. Right, I'm just going to lay this down and put these on top. Oh, that's a lot of packs. But yep. I made sure this is the one that we are not opening. And yeah, this isn't a Moncat pack. That's fairly intact before I found my ultimate method for keeping them intact. So yeah, let's just dive right into cracking the packs. Okay, pack 1. Oh, hang on, wait. If I just get this, look at this. It's a singular pack, but you can see the width difference on the sides. Whereas this pack, is the exact same size as this Moncat pack. Huh, okay, who cares, but let's get into it. So I'll show you my method. Oh, these are actually sealed here. So you have to kind of open that, and then it cracks. Okay, the packs in here are much different than the ones that were given externally. I'm not sure if I'm able to retain all of these in pristine condition. Oh yeah, these are much tighter. Oh, yikes.
Ooh. But the pack is still retained, and we have Prickly Marmoset, Helica Glider, Capture Sphere, Lava Serpent, Dark Bargain, Survivor's Bond, Mighty Greathorn, Gloom Pangolin, Survive Sabertooth, Blazing Volley, a Valiant Rescuer.
A Sonus Howlbowler, I can use that in my Grixis deck maybe. Huh. Insatiable Hemophage, and rare Garuda Doom of the Depths. And that's our first pack, so I'm just gonna put the Garuda back there and move these aside. I have this stand which I can just place Garuda on. So that's our rare stand. Okay, let's dive into pack 2. Okay. Oh, we got it, but damage on the pack, but that'll have to do. I'm not perfect, you know. Okay.
I'm just gonna go straight to
The uncommons this time. Okay. Regal Leosaur, Necropanther, Zangoth Crystal, Voracious Great Shark. Okay. So it's a 5-mana 5/4 counter spell, and we have a dinosaur and a jungle hollow. I need one of these for my Jund deck. Okay, so the Voracious Great Shark is up there, and I'm just gonna put the tokens aside, so then we can review the tokens later. Okay, pack 3.
Sorry for the inconvenience and slowness of my cutting. Okay. Okay. This is like surgery. Okay, this is much tighter than the others. Okay, oh, this is not good. Okay, I'm just gonna yank it
Open on the back. Yeah, oh my god. Oh, finally. Okay, Frostveil Ambush. Let's just skip to the uncommons. Oh, I saw foil. Oh no. Spoilers. Charger the Forever Beast. Blitzer the Thunderraptor. Oh, okay. Splendormare and a Ketria Triome. Yes, I can use one of these in my Teamer deck. And a Bushmeat Poacher as a foil. And a Mountain and a Human Soldier. I'm gonna put... Oh wait, no, we gotta put the rare up there. That's just a really good setup, even though it's not very speedy. I'm sorry if this is like really slow.
I think I know a slight better way. Whoopsie doopsie. So I just do slits along like normal, but then rip it down the back.
Ooh, it's a Wingfold Terron. Ooh, that's actually a pretty good one. And skip. For a second I thought I saw an elusive Spellfist, if you remember that from Dragons. Okay, a Void Beckoner, a Ragarin Crystal, a Poliwag Symbiote, and a Crystalline Giant. Sorry if I'm kind of spoiling the rares, but I can probably make a Teamer Mutate maybe. And put the Crystalline Giant up. and another human soul.
Okay, and just put this up like so, into my big stack. Next pack. Slit, and a slit. And then rip it down the back. Oh, another wingfold Tarum. Well, what's the chances
This will be the exact same pack as before. Wait, I'm just gonna... Okay. Wait, this is a Frenzied Raptor next. And an opposing Vantasaur. The first 3 cards of this pack are the exact same as the first 3 cards of the last pack. What are the chances? But that's pretty neat, but I'm just going to skip to the uncommons. Proud Wild Bonder, Lord Dracus, Ketria Crystal, yes, and a Dirge Bat. Put the rare up with the rest, and a dinosaur token. Now, if I can pick these up without damaging them, you can just have a sweet look at the Dirge Bat, even though it's not the sweetest card. And last pack, boys.
Last one. Ooh, what's it gonna be? I'm probably not gonna pull a mythic, but, you know, at least I pulled Garuda, because now I can just bully people to death. And literally death. Sorry if I'm really bad at this cutting thing. Okay.
It is a Frenzied Raptor, Checkpoint Officer, Thieving Otter, Humble Naturalist. Yeah, I'm doing this because it's the last pack. Dark Bargain, Mysterious Egg. Oh. Corpse Churn, Thwart the Enemy, Patagia Tiger, Shredded Sails, Pouncing Shore Shark, Jubilant Sky Bonder, a Lord Dracus with a sweet art, whew, and Lurrus of the Dream Den. I'm just going to put these 2 guys together on the stand, and a Blossoming Sands, as well as this token. Okay, let's go over the rares. We got Lurrus of the Dream Den, a Lord Dracus, a Dirge Bat, Crystalline Giant, Ketria Triome, Voracious Great Shark, and Garuda Doom of the Depths. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Still, there is one more pack left, which, if I can find it, oh no. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry, but look at all of these pack wrappers. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.